A sustainable, frugal meal from the Italian cucina povera tradition. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making Canederli Tirolesi, Italian bread dumplings originally from South Tyrol in northern Italy. In German, Knödel. These Italian bread dumplings are a peasant tradition made with affordable and accessible ingredients for the rural population in the mountains of Trentino Alto Adige. A perfect recipe to empty your fridge. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Cut the stale bread into small cubes. You need to use old bread, not store-bought breadcrumbs for this recipe. The stale bread still has some moisture and taste, while packaged breadcrumbs are too dry and flavourless. Blend some bread with the fresh parsley. It makes the chopping so much easier. Break the eggs in the milk and mix until they are combined. Pour the milk and the eggs into the bread mixture. Add the speck or any other pork meat cuts into tiny chunks. Season with salt and freshly grated nutmeg. Different variations of this dish can be made with veal liver or cheese. All products farmers would produce themselves. Some version of these dumplings uses white bread, others a rye bread. Add a tablespoon of flour to firm up their consistency and stir with a fork until it is roughly combined. Mix with your hands until the mixture is compact but still soft. You can make it the day before or let the Canederli mixture rest for a couple of hours. Warm up the broth in a large pot. I always have frozen homemade stock I make in my pressure cooker, and you can find the recipes in the link above. With wet hands, form compact balls about 2.5 inches to 6 centimeters. Coat them with flour and gently simmer for 20 minutes. It is important that the simmering is very gentle, as vigorous boiling can break the balls. Pour the broth into a soup bowl and serve the Canederli at the table in the broth. You can replace the speck with cheese for a vegetarian version and serve them in a vegetable broth. You can also boil the Canederli in salted water and serve them dry and seasoned with melted butter. They can be served as a side dish to Trentino goulash, game stew, or house plate, house plate. For more gnocchi recipes, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Nothing goes to waste.